All right, it's time to get things out of storage from packed up from wintertime. Yeah, I'm not able to do a lot during the wintertime. I can, but it's easier just to pack a lot of this stuff up and keep it from getting froze out here in the little shop. Cause we can have some pretty rough winters, and it's not good for this stuff to sit outside. But this is what's going on. I was just probably not going to be a run video, but I've ordered this soldering iron. Might have kicked a bucket there right before winter last year, before we shut down. Some things I didn't get to finish. We're going to get started right back where we left off, where I left off. So this is my soldering. I keep usually all my connectors, everything together. So this is my old. You can see it. It just wasn't doing it anymore. No adjustment. I don't even know what watt it is, temperature range or anything. It did the trick, but well, stay tuned. I'm gonna have this later on at the end of the video. I've tried it out just a little bit, but I've got a XT60. I want to run my WPL on 3S. So, and this is the V2 WPL Electronics. Does all your speed control lights. It's got the winch controller, 3S compatible. So I've got a little 3S battery, and we're going to get that. I'm pretty sure I still got an XT60 to make me a connector with. Well, Stampede's not been on the channel. I don't think. I run it over. This is my daughter's. It's the pink one over here. Yeah, the pink one. So this is the original pink one. I think they re-released the pink Stampede again last year. So I run over the back half of it with my pickup truck and rebuild it. We never did buy a body for it. It squished the back tires, squished the receiver box. I put an RPM shock tower on here. Basically all it done was it pulled the screws out right here and broke this. The front was okay. It didn't do any damage to the front. I just run over the back half of it. Didn't crack the motor case or anything. And when I say run over it with full size Chevy pickup, 4-wheel drive. And then I run over it. I pulled it back over it, run over it. So actually I run over it twice. I pulled back over it, and anyway, she just likes. She's had it for a while. And all she does is run it in the mud and splash it through the mud puddles. So I've got a ton of parts, pink upgraded parts for this. So you probably want to hit that subscriber bell. So I've got the body, all the pink parts going to be coming on. Probably won't be all at once. It'll be gradual. Motor cover shocks, towers, A-arms, pink shock springs. I got another pink body ordered. All right, if you're still there, this has not been run. I didn't even get to clean this up. I had it out. I call it water blasting. All I've ever done is just run this in water, mud. It's a FY305 Desert Eagle. Bang Good Special. It's like one of my first RCs. This is a 390 brushed airplane motor. Now, I've always pretty much run it on 3S. So the last video, I'm gonna put a card up here. You probably wanna watch it. That's why it's called water blasting. And if you're first and the card's not up there, I'll be right there. I'll be putting it on there. So this one, I've upgraded the oil-filled shocks and really tuned the suspension. It handles pretty good. The original has spring dampers, no oil. If I find it, I'll link. It's been a while since I messed with this. I've had it a while, so. But I'm gonna get it running. We might go do a little 380 brushless or something. I'm not sure. This thing's got mega power. If it still runs, I'd not mess with it. Everything's still free. Transmission's free. It's got an upgraded front diff. It's not the one from the stock one. I might put a video up here if it's still there, but that's coming on. I've been wanting to get that running. Just it's a fun little truck here. Mainly, you know, oh yeah, I put the lights in it. I've got run lights. I was going to order rear tail lights. Anyway, I just never did. I might leave a comment. We'll put some lights on it. And I was dragging out what I was looking for. We got the Tinkin motor. We can put that in something. This one's not completely trashed, so I might put it back in the Red Cap Wendigo. I got it on sale for, this is the kit version. I got it for $219 1 year ago. So the steering's really crappy. There's a couple upgrades. I hope Red Cat's listening. Yeah, y'all bloated away on your new model and got some upgrades for Gen 8. I hope you can do the same thing for the Wendigo. I'll be right there on it waiting. So probably gonna run this next. I'm gonna solder up, like I said, I'm gonna use a soldering iron, get a 3S battery in that WPL C34. That's the KM. And that's it for now. So I'll get them cards in the video, and I've got already ordered the receiver. If you're wondering, yeah, I already got extra receiver too. So that'll be on the GT. This has got the rechargeable battery, so it's pretty cool. There's that receiver for that. We got an extra, maybe for a project coming on this summer. I've been poking my head around. All my lights is left over. We might do something with them, probably on the Unimog. Oh, this ain't even half of it. I've got more, way more. I had a motor. All right, yeah, here's the motor. Fresh motor for the Stampede. So all this was, there's something else. I'm gonna get this out of here. Okay. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna go through some of this. If you're at the end of the video, I'm gonna solder them up, give you a picture. Won't be a soldering demonstration, but we're gonna mess with that for a second. Here we go. Focus. There's my D90 matchbox. Got some interior in there. Little topper. Got some mud on it. So, Amazing RC, if you're in here, and if you would like to put your magic touch on this, and you watch and you see the video, just let me know in the comments, and it would make a cool yellow trophy truck, maybe a camel decal on the door and some little pimping stuff around here on the back. So anyway, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, if you're still here, the soldering iron is $23 on Amazon, and yeah, so far so good. Comes with 6 different tips, counting the one that's on it. You got some paste, resin, flux paste, high quality, blah blah, made in China. And you got to looks like a pretty good little roll of solder here. There you can see that. But yeah, she got hot, and we did the desoldered the XT90. I'm gonna reuse that. Here's the other ones. But there's an Amazing RC, a little clip coming in there for him. But that's about it. We'll test this out and we're out of here. So I'm gonna finish this out, and we'll throw a battery in there, test it on the table, and then we'll get out the GoPro and see what we can come up with. All right, so select temperature selection. It's got a function mode, just lets you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, whichever part of the pond you're on. And that's about it. Like I said, I'm gonna get this put together, and we'll go for a run, little test run here on the bench. So, well, I mean barely can get it. I got that 3S 1500 TNC, barely. So, first time powering this on ever on 3S, and here we go. Y'all stay tuned.